Hello, my name is Patrick Jameson, and in this video we're going to assemble our WinGuard aluminum sliding glass door frame. The first step is to snap on your sill riser adapter. Before doing so, apply a bead of sealant on this part of your track. There's your sill riser adapter snapped onto the track. Here's the top of our left jamb. We can tell it's the top because it's notched out evenly across. Here's the bottom of our left jamb. We can tell it's the bottom because it is not evenly notched out. The way I was able to tell this is our left jamb are by our holes that are pre-punched for the keeper. This door's configuration is an XO standard stack. These keeper holes are going to be facing the interior. The next step is to assemble the jamb to the head. Before assembling, apply your continuous bead of sealant around the perimeter of the jamb. Inside of your bag, you will locate your assembly screws. Now we're assembling the jamb to the head. Do not apply too much pressure as it might bend the frame. The next step is to assemble the jambs to the track. Keep in mind your sill riser adapter will face the interior of the opening. Underneath your track, you're going to have anchor plates. These anchor plates must be lined up with the pre-drilled holes underneath your track. Now we're ready to assemble the jamb to the track. Before doing so, ensure there's a continuous bead of sealant around the perimeter of the track. And now you're ready to assemble the jamb to the track. Now we're fastening the jamb to the track using the assembly screws. So to recap this video, we've assembled the frame. In the next video, we're going to install the same frame into the opening.